Hey y'all, Loba's Crafts here, and we have another yarn haul from Michael's. I know, I need to stop doing these, but I have so many different yarn that I need to show you guys again. I did utilize, I had a $5 voucher with, I use like 4 different like coupons online because online you can do so. So I got a crap ton of stuff. So we're gonna just start from the beginning and we'll take it from there. So first things first, I did get the Karen Big Cakes. And this is in the color Cookie Crumble. So it's definitely more on the cookies and cream side of things, which I definitely feel like I'm going to enjoy. And then the next one, because it is the Karen Big Cakes as well, I received the Boysenberry, which I thought was really interesting because I wanted obviously more blues, but I wanted like a purple. I might use this for myself. But I like that like color, and it has a little bit of that like nice mint color and the light pink. So I got those two. Let me just start putting bags over here. All right. Ooh, then I got this interesting loops and threads. I got 2 of these facets. It's an acrylic yarn, and this one's in Ember. I'm sorry they're a little like messed up. But it has like all of these different brown hues and a little bit of the burgundies. I'm just like obsessed with them. Like I said, I got 2. And then I got 2 of the facets in Urban Sky. I'm actually going to do like my own rendition of a temperature blanket for my husband for our 5-year wedding anniversary with these 2. Something light. So I figured I could kind of like essentially do something with these 2 and make something really nice for him for our anniversary. So those are that. Ooh, they're all dropping. The way that they organized this was nice, but I guess it didn't need to be like that. Oh. Okie dokie. So, first things first, obviously I did get more of the everyday classic cotton loops and threads to make more pot holders. I got this one in Patriot. So it's kind of like the red, white, and blue with obviously the pink gradient, the blue gradient. So I got that one. I got this really cool color. It's like 90s color, squeaky clean polyester thread. If you guys haven't seen my Everything I've Crocheted Recently video, I'm like obsessed with this yarn. I love this yarn. I even got it again in this color called Aurora. I got 2 of those. Yeah, I got 2 of those colors. And then, ooh, okay, so I did get 2 of the brights. And then I got 2 of the sands of the squeaky cleans, because I'm probably going to be making a crap ton of these. These are like, I love this yarn. And then I got more of the classic cotton. I got it in this color, which is more of like a pewter. And then again, I got it in the color Seafoam. These bags are just lining up. Then I got really big chunky yarn. I got this awesome colored like pink lemonade. It's a yellow pink multi in loops and threads. This is the Sweet Snuggles. Pretty sure I'm probably going to end up doing like some type of amigurumi with it. And then I'm definitely using, I got the last two I got are these Bernat Big Plush Big. I plan to make a teddy bear. This is in Frosted Leaf with these two. Again, as like a gift for my husband. I have an idea that I wanted to kind of use this color yarn with. So that's kind of what we're going with. But that's my yarn haul. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys used any of this in the comments below. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye!